What if the biggest land grab in human history is happening right now?
Beneath this ice lies oil, gas, and rare minerals worth $35 trillion, and new shipping routes that could reshape global trade forever.
Russia isn't waiting.
China isn't even an Arctic nation.
And yet, they may already be winning. Because this isn't just about resources, it's about power.
Five nations border the Arctic. But only one has been preparing for decades. Russia never left. While others looked away, Russia kept building. Airfields, radar stations, missile systems.
They turned the Arctic into a fortress.
And nature is helping them win.
Because melting ice unlocks something even bigger.
A shortcut between Asia and Europe. Less congestion, lower cost, faster delivery, and whoever controls this route controls trade. Russia already controls most of it. Their secret weapon? Nuclear icebreakers. More than the rest of the world combined. Unlimited power. Unlimited access. And then, China arrived. Quietly, strategically. They called it, the Ice Silk Road. Together, they formed an alliance. Energy pipelines, shipping lanes, military coordination.
This isn't competition anymore. It's control.
What you see on the surface is only half the story. Beneath the ice, a silent war is already underway.
Submarines patrol routes no one can see. Armed with weapons, and no one can stop.
And they're positioning for something bigger.
Because this isn't just economic.
It's military dominance. From here, they can reach anywhere.
Meanwhile, the West is still debating.
Unprepared. Under-equipped. Outnumbered. Outmatched. And losing ground. Fast. Because whoever claims the seabed
owns the future. And the battle isn't just physical.
It's digital. Communications can be cut in seconds.
And control can disappear instantly. Global trade is already shifting.
Old routes are dying. New ones are taking over.
And they're watching everything. Optimizing everything.
This isn't a race anymore. It's already decided.
Or is it?
Because something even bigger is coming. The system is breaking.
And no one can stop it.
Because this isn't just melting.
It's extraction.
And once it starts,
New trade, it doesn't stop. They're working together. Coordinating every move.
faster than any human can react. Turning chaos into control. And rewriting global trade.
In real time. This is the moment.
Earth, where everything changes. Because control comes with consequences. And the cost is global. And now, there's no turning back. It's a chain reaction.
And the first victims aren't human. But soon, they will be. Because what happens here doesn't stay here.
It spreads.
Faster than anyone predicted. And yet, they remain in control.
Because chaos is predictable to those prepared. And controllable to those in charge.
This was never about resources.
It was about control. Control of routes. Point control of data.
Control of the global economy.
And that means
The winners are already decided.
And the world just hasn't realized it yet. But there's one problem.
Control like this never lasts.
Because systems this complex
Don't just fail.
they collapse. And when they do, no one is in control.
Not Russia. Not China.
Not anyone.
Because the real power
was never in controlling it.
It was in preserving it.
And we lost that chance.
not in the future, but right now.
The Arctic isn't being won. It's being lost.
What comes next? Subscribe for part 2. The strait that could collapse global trade.